Hi everyone, welcome to my crochet nook. I'm Linda and today I would like your help. I've picked, I think it's 5 projects that I want to, future projects that I want to do, and I can't decide what to start to make in July. So I'm going to show you the future projects and the yarn that I'm going to use, and then I'm going to call them 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 or 6 if I've got 6, but I think I've got 5, and then you tell me which is your favorite and what I should make a start on in July. So the first pattern that I want to do, if I remember correctly, is, let's see, where is it the shawl? I want to do this shawl, and I'm going to do it in using the Hobie twister. This is kind of like a peach colour, and I'm going to mix them 2 colours together, the silver and the peach, well, the grey and the peach, to make this pattern. So this is number 1. So this is a shawl, and this is the yarn that I want to use. So that's project number 1. Project number 2 is this. It's from Happily Hooked magazine, and it's this shawl. I hope you can see it. And I'm going to use this yarn that I got from our hobby craft, and as you can see, it's all different pinks, and there's a gold thread through it. So that is project number 2. So again, yes, I know it's a shawl, so that's 2 shawls. So shawl number 1, shawl number 2. And the next project is, I've been eyeing these cardigans up for ages, and I really like it, and I hope you can see it. It's by Lila Bjorn, and it's the Whale Mandala cardigan, and it's a free pattern off Ravelry. I think I got this, yeah, Ravelry. So I'm going to use this yarn that I bought off Barbara Whisper, and I'm going to this is the yarn I want to use. So I've got 3 of these, which will be more than enough, and this is let me see what it's, this is a finger weight, and I really like that. So that's number 3. So number 3 is a cardigan, the mandala cardigan, although I'm not using mandala. And the next project is a knitted, and it's this cardigan, and I really like it. I'm trying to not get the glare of the camera, the light behind me. So that is number 4, which is another cardigan, but it's a chunky. And the yarn I'm going to use for that, I'm going to use this on the cuffs and the band around, and I think it'll go nice with this yarn. This yarn is Drifter Chunky by King Cole, and this is the Signet Chunky, and I think they'll go really nice together. So that's that. So that is number 4, and there was 5. And this one, I'm going to use this lace weight, which Barbara kindly dyed for me personally. I gave her the colours that I wanted, and this is a lace weight, but wait till you see the pattern. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? I really like that, and I do love green as well. and there's like aquas and turquoise, so you can really see the different shades. So out of this I've got 2 cardigans and one of them being knitted, so I'll run through them all again just to show to share with you. So ow, 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 ow. So would you like me to do number 1, number 2, number 3, which is that cardigan there, number 4, or number 5? So I'd be really looking forward to seeing what you say. And this goes live on the Thursday, so on the Sunday, the following Sunday, I will, the 24th, so 25th, 26th, 27th. So on the 27th podcast on the Sunday, I will let you all know what the majority of you thought, and I'll go with the majority. So I hope you, I look forward to seeing what you you say, but I think I know what, there's 2 I can't decide which to start, so I'll be looking forward to seeing what you think I should do. And I'm not going to tell you what my 2 are, but I look forward to hearing from you and looking forward to seeing what numbers you say. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and thank you so much for joining me. Please check out the description box below. Usually I have all my members links, and please check them out. Excuse me. Also, if I have any, if all my videos, if I've used anything or I've bought anything from particular shops or online, I always have the links there as well. So all that's left for me to say is have a wonderful day, take care, stay safe, and be kind to you. Until next time, bye for now.